V-Gold trusted gold buyers will release the gold you have pledged and buy it at today's market price. Greetings to the audience, Rama Chandra Murthy. In this video today, the current market has almost rallied by 20% to 30%. Are there any good companies in the current strong top 500? What are the good companies in them that we can invest in, and which ones will give us growth? We are presenting these top 5 companies to you. Take these as investment points. This is just my personal opinion. You should also think twice and consult your personal advisor as per SEBI rules. I am not promoting you anywhere. So I am giving you a suggestion for educational purposes. So if we look at the first company, Tanla Solutions, then this is what we have seen before. If we take the time high, it went up to 1100 to 1200 and fell 50% from there. The low levels came to 450 and then to 11th of May and then to 11th of April, and now it is reversing. Now the present is in the range of 600. So this means that we have a company that is a good standard company, a top-handed company, so it has not yet had the expected rally, and there are chances of it increasing by 20% or even 30%. So it is now present at 600. Add some in that range and then add 550 or 530 again. There are chances of the targets coming up to 750 to 800. This should be taken in the range of 1 to 6 months. Plan to keep the investments for at least 3 months. So if the first company comes, then Tanla and then Tiger to Cogger. This is Railway Wagons. This is a company that we have known for a long time. It is a company that is almost 50 years old. This is Titagar Railway. It manufactures railway wagons, and now the railway is expanding a lot, bullet trains, Rajdhani trains, and after that, all these new trains have also come to us. So, if you look at the order book of those metro trains, their wagons, everything, it is very good. If you look at it technically, it went to high levels of about 1900. From there, it has now reached a level of 690 to 700. Now, it is near 900. So, like buy and dips, invest some money here near 900. Then, by reinvesting again between 830 and 800, now if you look at the next targets, there are chances of reaching 1200 to 1300 in 1 to 6 months. So, this is Titagar Railway Wagons. This is the third company after the second company. Pin cables, if we look at Finlix cables, this is it too. It went up to 1750, 1800 before that. From there, low levels came and the level of 800 came. There was a 50% correction. Now again, the reversal will start from here. Now, its rate has come to 960 and it is in that range. Now, if we take these low levels, we can invest here. After that, after 800, when that range comes, the present is in that range of 970. Buy there. If it comes to 900, buy again. There are chances that the targets will come and reach 1200 to 1300 over a long period, so this is also a company that is having a good moment. So this is Finolex Cables. So the fourth company that came is Cholamandalam Finance. Chola Finance. We all know that Cholamandalam Finance is a good strong company in the financial sector. It is a leading company. This was before that. The high came and it went up to 1750, the all-time high, 1700. Now it is in that range of 1560 to 1550. This means buy here and add again to 1500 in that range. The targets come and there are chances of it going up to 1700. We know Chumley Finance. This is also a good strong company. So what I mean is that now in the company I mentioned, we should buy on dips like everything else. We should not buy at this rate. Also, these can be traded short term. Daily, there will be a good moment in these. So, there will be a 20 to 30 points moment. So, short-term trades will work out. Similarly, the fourth company, M&M, new brands have come out. They all have good reputations in a good market. So, if you look at the low levels, the high levels before that went to 3,200. If you look at the low levels, it means it went up to 2,500 from there. Reversals have come, So now the present has come and it is in the 3000 range. So this means that there are chances of going from high 3200 to 3300 and then add 2800 in that range. So if this is M&T, what we have is that the mind market has accepted it, all of them are working out well, good brands are selling well, results are good, and some new brands have been brought in the EV section, and all the even brands have become very popular, so M&M is also showing a good success rate. So give me the top 5 companies, so we have given you in different segments, so there is one like Tanla, there is Tediger, Finlix Cables, as well as Chumley Finance and M&M. So you should also look at the charts of this company once or twice. Fundamentally, how is the balance sheet, profit loss for the last 5 years? If you look at them, you will get an idea. Even after that, when you deposit the amount, put your free amount in it, and if you plan to add it again at regular intervals, i.e. every 5-10% deposits, then if you take a 3-month positional trade, there are chances of good wealth success. This is just my personal opinion. I request you to think once or twice before taking a decision. Thank you, namaste.